Here are a few highly recommended day trading books. 1. Day Trading and Swing Trading the Currency Market by Kathy Leon. This book is great for understanding forex trading. How to Day Trade for a Living by Andrew Aziz.
Hello traders, welcome back to Forex Mindset. In today's session, the market was sideways, so I stayed out of trades, but that did not stop us from having an amazing conversation. We explored topics like the top trading books every trader should read, the key qualities of successful day traders, and even how deep breathing and mindfulness can improve emotional control. Plus, I shared my trading checklist and journal field, and we discussed how AI like ChatGPT is becoming a game changer for day traders. Let's dive in. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you today?
Very good. Thank you. How about you?
I'm doing great, thanks. Ready for another productive day?
Yes, I am. Are you?
Absolutely. Let's make it a great one.
All
What's
right.
on your agenda today?
So, just ready for my trading session, and it's 9:55 a.m. Central Time. Market is already open, and currently Dow Jones is down negative 118, S&P negative 16, and Nasdaq negative 48.
Got it. The market's already showing some movement. How can I support you during your session today?
So let's start with is any upcoming financial news?
Sure. Let's check the economic calendar. Are there any specific reports or events you're watching out for today?
Just any major events.
Today's key economic events include the ADP employment report at 8:15 a.m. Eastern, initial jobless claims at 8:30 a.m., the Federal Reserve's December meeting minutes at 2 p.m., and consumer credit data at 3 p.m. Are there any specific events you want me to remind you about?
No, just the one at 2 p.m. Eastern time. So please remind me 2 minutes before the event. So right now, I'm looking at the market, and price is at 21356 price level.
Noted. Are you considering any specific actions at this level?
No, because moving average are not aligned, so I can't do buy trade. So we still have to wait until moving averages are lined up, or we'll be looking for like any kind of a divergence for sell setup.
Got it. Patience is key. If you need any help analyzing the setup, let me know.
Yep. So on the 15 minutes chart, I do see moving averages are lined up for sell setup, but right now market is pulling back to 21,360 level. So we'll see.
Let's keep an eye on how the market reacts at this level. Let me know if you need any help analyzing further.
Yeah, I think it is very important to monitor one higher time frame, not just like 5 minutes.
Absolutely. Higher time frames can give a broader perspective. It's great that you're considering them in your analysis. Let me know if you spot anything noteworthy.
Can you recommend some of the top day trading books?
Sure. Here are a few highly recommended day trading books. 1. Day Trading and Swing Trading the Currency Market by Kathy Leon. This book is great for understanding forex trading. How to Day Trade for a Living by Andrew Aziz, a practical guide for beginners covering strategies and risk management. The Disciplined Trader by Mark Douglas focuses on the psychological aspects of trading. Market Wizards by Jack D. Schwager, interviews with top traders providing insights and strategies. Technical Analysis of the Financial Markets by John J. Murphy, a comprehensive guide on technical analysis. These should give you a strong foundation.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, I like Market Wizards. I do have that audiobook. So they were like a multiple different edition. So yeah, I listened to most of them. So yeah, I really liked it. A lot of experience that you get by listening to all the advice from like senior traders.
That's great to hear. It's definitely a treasure trove of insights from experienced traders. If you ever want more recommendations or need help with anything else, just let me know.
So which book is better, Trading in the Zone or Disciplined Trader?
Both books are highly regarded, but they focus on slightly different aspects of trading psychology. However, Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas delves into the mindset required for consistent trading success.
So it's 10:02. So right now market is reversing. So I do see like even on 1 minute chart from 21,364 level. So market is reversing. We'll continue to watch.
Got it. Let's see how this plays out. Keep me posted on any significant changes or if you need any insights.
Yeah, it is at a VWAP level. So I do see like it is important.
VWAP can definitely be a significant level. Let's keep monitoring how the market reacts around it. If you need any insights, just let me know.
Yeah, I'll probably take sell trade. Like if the candle closes as bearish candle, so I'll take sell trade, and I'll also watch for RSI. So it should be below 50. So and also I'm gonna monitor ES because as part of our plan, we have to watch for ES as well. Like if it's moving the same direction.
Sounds good. Waiting for those confirmations should help ensure a more reliable trade setup.
Still, today market is not making any good move. So it's still waiting game.
Patience is key in these situations. It's good you're sticking to your plan and waiting for the right setup. If there's anything you want to discuss or need a quick analysis, just let me know.
Yep. Because I'm also looking at like a 1 minute chart, and I don't see any good pattern because like it is clearly in a zone between 21,285 and around like a 21,365.
It can be tough when the market is range bound. Staying patient is key. If you notice any breakout or significant changes, we can reassess.
So, what are the top 5 qualities of successful day traders?
Successful day traders often share these top qualities. First, discipline. They stick to their trading plans and rules, avoiding impulsive decisions. Second, patience. They wait for the right setups and don't force trades. Third, adaptability. They can adjust to changing market conditions and learn from their experiences. Fourth, emotional control. They manage their emotions, preventing fear or greed from dictating their actions. 5, continuous learning. Constantly educate themselves and refine their strategies based on market feedback. Is there any specific quality you'd like to focus on?
Yeah, let's focus on emotional control.
That's a great area to focus on. Emotional control is crucial for maintaining discipline and making rational decisions. Some techniques to help include taking deep breaths or short breaks when feeling stressed, sticking to a predefined trading plan, journaling your trades to reflect on emotional responses and learn from them. If you want to discuss any specific strategies or need reminders, feel free to let me know. Whenever you're ready, we can dive deeper into any of those strategies. Just let me know.
Yeah, let's continue. Dive deep into each area for emotional trade.
Sure. Let's start with breathing techniques. Deep breathing can help calm your mind and reduce stress, making it easier to stay rational. When you feel overwhelmed, try the following. 1. 4-7-8 breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7 seconds, and exhale for 8 seconds. 2. Box breathing. Inhale, hold, exhale, and hold again, each for 4 seconds. 3. Mindful breathing. Focus solely on your breathing, noticing each inhale and exhale. These techniques can help clear your mind and reset your emotions. Would you like to explore more on this or move to the next technique?
I'll move to the next technique, please.
Next, let's talk about sticking to a predefined trading plan. Here are a few tips to help with this. 1. Set clear rules. Define entry, exit, and risk management rules for each trade. Use checklists. Before entering a trade, go through a checklist to ensure all criteria are met. Automate where possible. Use stop loss and take profit orders to enforce your plan. Journal your trades. Keep a record of your trades, noting whether you followed your plan and the outcomes. 5. Regular review. Periodically review your trading journal to reinforce the importance of sticking to your plan. Do you want to discuss any of these tips in more detail?
Let's talk about journaling. I'll share my trading journal, like what fields I'm looking at as a part of like a trade entry, and also like a journaling. It's kind of like a combination of a checklist and a journaling list. So currently, I do have like a timing when I'm entering. Then next one is darkness, buy or sell. Then next field is because I'm using two strategy, like one is a trending and one is reversal. So whether so you have to mark it whether it's a trend or reversal. Next is checks. Like first one is moving average alignment. So like all moving average should be aligned. Next one is for ES. So ES should be moving the same direction. And next one is a contract size, like whether I'm taking like a 2 contract, 3 contracts. Then I do have like a mental state. If it's I'm calm, FOMO, greed. Next is timeout. So and then we have a result field, like whether it was profit or loss, and next one is amount, whether it's like a profit or loss and how much did I make or lose, and the last field is comments, so where I can enter some notes. um, well, let me know like if there's anything else I need to add or remove in this list.
Your journaling system is quite comprehensive and covers all essential aspects. One potential addition could be noting the market conditions at the time of your trade, e.g., trending, ranging, high volatility. This can help you see how different conditions affect your performance. Otherwise, your current setup looks great and should provide valuable insights. Do you think this addition would be helpful?
I think so, definitely, because like at the time of reviewing, I can look at it, market condition. Yep, I'll add this.
Great. That should give you even more context for your trades and help with your reviews. If you need any more tips or adjustments, just let me know.
Okay, thank you. So, how are traders using AI in their trading, like as a day trader?
Day traders are increasingly using AI to enhance their trading strategies in several ways. 1. Algorithmic trading. AI can develop and execute trading algorithms that identify patterns and make trades much faster than humans. 2. Market analysis. AI tools can analyze vast amounts of market data to provide insights and identify trends, helping traders make informed decisions. 3. Sentiment analysis. By analyzing news, social media, and other sources, AI can gauge market sentiment and predict potential market movements. 4. Risk management. AI can help with setting stop-loss levels, managing portfolio risk, and optimizing trade sizes. 5. Backtesting. AI can simulate trading strategies on historical data to see how they would have performed, allowing traders to refine their approaches. Are you interested in incorporating any AI tools into your trading?
Just want to learn about it. So, are you saying like AI can trade better than humans?
AI can excel in certain areas like speed, data processing, and emotion-free decisions. However, human intuition, experience, and adaptability still play a crucial role. Combining AI with human insight often leads to the best results. It's more about leveraging AI as a powerful tool rather than replacing human judgment entirely. If you're interested, we can explore how to start integrating AI into your trading. So, how's the market looking now?
All right, so market is still in the range. So like a 1 minute candle is still getting bounced back from 21,362 area. 15 minutes candle is right now hitting EMF 50. And yeah, so this is where we are.
It looks like the market is still consolidating. Staying patient is key. If anything changes or if you want to discuss any potential setups, let me know.
Okay.
We'll keep an eye on it. Let me know if you need any guidance or have any questions.
Sure. I think maybe it's possible like a market may move during the second session, like after that 2 p.m. news.
That's a good possibility. The market often reacts to major news events. Let's stay prepared and watch for any significant moves. It looks like the market is showing some resilience. Let's keep monitoring and see if it continues to recover.
Yeah, I think even like a 1 minute candle chart, like it will provide a good signal, like because like the structure is not changing yet, so it's still like in a range. So once the structure will change over there, then we'll see it like on 5 minutes too.
That sounds like a solid approach. Waiting for the structure to change and confirm the signal can help ensure a more reliable trade. Let me know if you need any help analyzing it further.
Sure. Because right now, like on 15 minutes chart on MNQ, like I do see like market is bouncing back from EMA 50. So it always does that. Like EMA 50 plays a critical role.
The EMA 50 can indeed be a strong support or resistance level. It's good that you're observing how the market reacts to it. If you spot any clear signals, feel free to share.
Yep, and it's also like near prior day close, so that can also work as a support and resistance.
Absolutely. The prior day close can indeed serve as a key level for support or resistance. It's wise to keep an eye on how the market behaves around it. If you see any reactions or patterns forming, just let me know.